This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by mastering the core Python building blocks you will use often. Focus on 6 core topics: variables, data types, operators, control flow, functions, and lists. Spend 60 minutes of deliberate practice daily to build fluency and confidence. Solve at least 50 small exercises that cover each topic methodically to reinforce skills. Always write code and run it in one integrated development environment to catch syntax and runtime errors early in the learning loop. Adopt a clear problem-solving workflow before coding anything. Spend 10 minutes planning each problem using pseudocode and sample input-output pairs to clarify requirements. Break problems into smaller functions and name them clearly to simplify testing. Manually trace your code on paper and test with 5 edge cases to ensure correctness. Learn basic time complexity concepts and target understanding up to n log n for sorting and search tasks commonly seen in class problems. Balance practice across exercises, small projects, and past exam papers for full preparation. Complete at least 5 previous year papers under timed conditions to simulate exam pressure. Use 3 tools: 1 IDE for coding, 1 debugger for stepping through logic, and 1 simple version backup method to save progress. Schedule 1 90-minute weekly review session to target weak topics and consolidate learning. Rest properly the night before an assessment to ensure focused problem solving the next day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.